Hello, today we will guide you through how to insert Excel in Confluence page. In this walkthrough, we'll show you how to add an Excel file to a Confluence page in a simple and straightforward way. This is useful when you want to share spreadsheet content with your team directly inside Confluence, making it easier to keep project information and supporting files in one place. To begin, open your Confluence overview page. This is your starting point, where you can access the space and navigate to the page you want to update. Once you're there, take a moment to confirm that you're in the correct workspace so the file is added to the right location. Next, look to the left-hand navigation panel and click on the page called Sample Page. This will open the page where the Excel file will be inserted. If your page names are different, simply select the page you want to edit. The key here is to make sure you're on the correct page before uploading anything. After the page opens, go to the top toolbar and click on the option to add an image. In this case, this upload option is also being used to insert your file into the page. If the toolbar looks slightly different in your version of Confluence, the upload control is usually located near the top editing area. When the upload window appears, click. Choose a file. This will open your computer's file browser, allowing you to search through your folders and locate the Excel document you want to add. It helps to know in advance where your spreadsheet is saved, so this part goes more quickly. Now browse to your sample Excel file. Select it and upload it. Once selected, Confluence will begin attaching the file to the page. Depending on the file size and your internet speed, this may take a moment. After the upload finishes, the file will be inserted into the page and available for viewers to access. As a quick tip, it's a good idea to check the uploaded file name before finishing, so it's clear and easy for others to recognize. Keeping file names simple and descriptive can make collaboration much smoother. That's all it takes to insert an Excel file into a Confluence page. Open the overview page, select your target page, use the top toolbar to add the file, choose the Excel document from your computer, and upload it. Once complete, your spreadsheet will be attached and ready to share within Confluence.